Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is about laser jump starts. Name it and number it, or number it and name it. I'm going to use both of them in a program called Batch It, the laser jump start. You would probably never use it in this scenario, but I put three capital B's in the name, and I just made a video on how to do this name. And this time I'm going to use Batch It. So what I did, I went to name it or number it, and I typed in the B's, starting value is 100. I limited the text. I went to name it. I did my name tags with, if you didn't watch that video, you can watch that video. But if you had this done and you did this all the time, you could go to Batch It. I'm going to clear the settings, and I'm going to do both of them. I'm going to name it. I'm going to use this one, okay. I'm going to number it. I'm going to use this one, okay. And then I'm going to hit go. And in 1 second, it put the number, it put the name, it made the numbers go from 1 to 105. I don't know any other way you could do that quick. If you were numbering, I don't know when you would ever use name it and number together. Well, I do know how you would do it. I don't know why you would do it. If maybe you're just passing something out and you wanted numbers. Anyway, I truly hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.